A short introduction of Mr. Sagheer Ahmed. Sagheer Ahmed is known as the father of time topology, visual mathematics, visual philosophy and treatise of human education. Time topology is the advanced level of time management. He is also the author of this book, Time Topology. This book has been added to the courses of degree programs in several universities. He has done a lot research on human brain and came to know that it is unique creation of God. He converted all mathematical equation and formulas into visual form because he knows human brain understands the pictorial form of any kind of data. For science, mathematics is as vital as oxygen to man. Visual mathematics is a radical approach to the mathematics essential for subjects like computer science, management sciences, and other related fields. He has done a tremendous work in philosophy. It is a course designed to inculcate and develop a process of thinking in the students. Philosophy means the search for truth, and visual philosophy is the subject that teaches how to do it. Treatise of human education is to provide an understanding and develop means for the solutions of the greatest problems and challenges faced by us today. He was born in Karachi, Pakistan in 1976. When his father retires, his father's monthly salary was only 300 rupees. He obtained his higher education Bachelor of Sciences degree in mathematics in 1995. Furthermore, he has done Master of Sciences degree in applied mathematics with quantum mechanics and relativity from Karachi University in 1998. He started teaching at the age of 14, but after completing his university education, he took teaching IT profession or passion. He joined Grace International as an educational director of America, Canada and Pakistan from January 1998 to November 1998. In the last months of 1998 he left his job for the sake of care of his old parents. When he left his job, he continued his passion of teaching and built an academy in front of his home and managed his expenses. From the age of 14 now he has approximately 24 years of teaching experience. He spends 16 to 18 years at home and worked 23 hours in a day in those years. He identified his skills in teaching, calligraphy, book writing and consultancy. At the same time he opened his new dimension and provided educational consultancy of many institutes and organizations. Sagheer Ahmed is a great thinker of this century. As he is gifted with spirituality, and the time he was at home, people from 141 countries visit him for multiple purposes. He has skills of reading books and research. He studies in detail and from authentic sources. He delivers to his students what he has inside his mind. That is why his students are the record breaker of 58 countries. He writes 45 books. Some of them are Finding Comfort, Women Training Course, Time Topology, Saint City of Knowledge, Saint Sudan, Inefficient Son of Great Mother and Great Father, and One Day One Reflection. He is also the author of 13 textbooks of physics, chemistry, mathematics, and computer. He has delivered more than 800 seminars, conducted approximately 300 workshops and delivered 14,000 online lectures. He established his own company of training and counseling named Kan World Counseling and Training. Now he is working on many awareness courses, for example, personality development, education counseling, pre-marriage awareness, entrepreneurship development, family counseling, human health counseling, etc. For more details, visit our website www.kanworld.com. Thank you.